There's no question. Cloud computing powers the way you do business. You spend weeks choosing and setting up your cloud, then spend even longer trying to make it meet your performance, security, scalability, and cost needs. Every business need is unique. But why settle for a one-size-fits-all solution when you can get the best fit solution with Tata Communications' purpose-built cloud? As you navigate modern IT complexities, optimized cloud services are essential. Tata Communications' purpose-built cloud solutions ensure a more performant, secure, cost-effective digital future. Our purpose-built cloud is built for ease. Integrated managed services provide a single vendor solution with exceptional flexibility and interoperability, while single pane of glass visibility is augmented by global network reach and SLA-backed support. What's more, you regain complete control over your cloud environment. Rest easy with a secure by-design approach, including risk assessments and routine security. Leverage industry-leading tools for fast, effective threat response, and let us navigate you through the complexities of sovereign clouds, ensuring compliance and data sovereignty. It's built for growth, so you can cut operational costs and say goodbye to bill shocks with flexible commercial models. With a purpose-built cloud from Tata Communications, you'll enjoy optimized cloud performance and the freedom to integrate with the platforms and systems you need, while we manage day-to-day cloud operations powering your strategic growth. Unlock the purpose-built cloud solution you want with the control and ease you need to maximize your cloud investments and drive business growth. Schedule a conversation with us today, and let's build what's next.